So we're gonna start off with one banana, and then we're going to use half an avocado. And then we're also going to put some almond oil. Just a bit of that. And then we're going to put about, I'm gonna say, a tablespoon of honey. Just a bit of that, maybe this much. And then some water. Pour it in. You can see it's a very nice and thick consistency. So this will make a mess. Best that you do it in the bathroom. So I've tried this mask before and I absolutely love it. It's one of the best masks. So I had straightened my hair before. That's why my hair looks this straight. My hair is actually curly.
Leaving the mask on for about 20 to 30 minutes, and you can put a plastic bag on your head to create a greenhouse effect to better absorb the mask into your hair. And then you can wash your hair as per usual with shampoo and conditioner. Here I use the Shea Moisture shampoo and conditioner. Brushing your hair through after you've done the shower, and here I'm using the Denman brush. I'll be using Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner. As you see here, I'll be having the link down below in the description. When putting the leave-in conditioner, focus on the ends of the hair instead of the top, and then lightly putting as well from the back of the head, which tends to be the place people forget about.
So using the Denman brush, what I do is I brush it through and then I just like curl it outwards like that, and then scrunch it up, and just keep on doing that throughout my whole hair. What I'll do after is that I usually just put some water to really activate the cream, and I find that really gives more of that curl that I like. And then I'll be going in with this gel. It's called Curl Keeper by Jonathan Torch. And I don't put that much, so maybe this much for my whole hair. And halfway through, I would say maybe within an hour, that's when I do dry my hair with a diffuser. So these are the results for my hair using avocado, honey, almond oil, banana, and a bit of water. So would I recommend this mask? 110%. It is my favorite, my ultimate favorite. If you don't have avocado, no worries. I would recommend using a quarter of an avocado if your hair is not so long, and half a banana as well. And overall, it's given me definition, a volume. To give some volume to your hair, if you need to, just bring your hands beneath and then just ruffle up your hair without making any sort of frizz. And I like to spray some water, filtered water in the morning to make sure that I activate or reactivate the curls. If you have some argan oil, you can place some argan oil on the tips to keep the tips very healthy and your hair overall looking amazing. I'm curious to know, what hair masks have you used and how was the experience for you? Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you very, very soon.